Riley, we guesstimate, probably hasn't been on the road for say 60, 70 years. We were privy to find a picture of our actual car that relates apparently back to 1980. So obviously it was on the road then, but there again it would have been very, very young then. But what surprised me was last week we decided that we would give it its first run last week, and we had clutch problems only because it just needed cleaning. It needed that final bit. And today he said, okay, we'll have another go. Clutch was all cleaned up, and off we went. Oh boy, off I went, and it was just brilliant. And I put it into second gear, and the torque, and I expected a really, really slow little car. Okay, it's got no weight, but it's got only 9 horsepower. And there I was trying to control it around our car park. And trying to control it was probably the wrong word, but just going around as fast as you can, really wanting to go out the gate. And it is road legal now, and it's taxed. So the next thing will be to get out that gate and go along the main road. And yeah, I'm really looking forward to it. Really looking forward to it. It's an exciting day. We bought this as a pile of bits in somebody's driveway, not knowing what it looked like, finding out that's a prototype car for the 1906 and 7 cars. It's a 1905. A few months earlier, you know, she would have been a 1904 and eligible for the London to Brighton, which is a little bit sad that we'll never be able to do something like that with it. What an achievement to all of the lads here to bring something that we didn't even know what it looked like to something that looks like this today. You know, so well done to them.